Hey guys, it's Christina. So I wanted to do a new haul for you and show you everything that I got online. I have a bunch of beauty, fashion, I have some health things here. So the first one I have here is called Flynn Axe. So this one is actually a pain reliever. If you've been watching my vlogs lately, you know that I've been talking about like my health issues, which I've never talked about on my channel before, so it's kind of different. But I talked about my sciatica, my neuropathy, my fibromyositis, like so many different things, and that's besides like asthma, allergies, all of that regular stuff that I have, you know, all the time. But I have a bunch of like lower back pain, especially if I'm traveling, sitting on a plane or in a car. Like I used to drive 10 hours from like Florida to Virginia and back and forth. It was just insane. So I wanted to share this one with you guys. I am just starting it out and I heard of this brand Flynn Axe, and I saw it on an ad for Hispanic women between like 25 to 40, and I was just like, that's me. So I was like, I wanted to try it out because basically it keeps you pain free for longer than other things that you can get at like CVS or whatever. So I wanted to give this a go. So you get 24 tablets in here, and the main ingredients is naproxen sodium. So if you guys want to check it out, I will link this for you guys in the info box down below. The website itself is flynnaxeusa.com. So check it out if you have like daily chronic pain, or if you even have like pain, just like sometimes like menstrual pain or something like that, you know, the cramps that we all get. So check it out. It says you can use it for muscular aches, headaches, toothache, backache, me, the common cold, menstrual cramps, like I said, minor pain from arthritis, so-and-so, and fever. So there's different uses for it, and like I said, anyone can use it. Don't take my word that I was saying like, you know, it was just an ad for like, you know, women certain ages, but obviously everyone can use it. So I will link it down below for you guys. Also say hi to Kylie Jenner. She's over here keeping me company. Let me swing my weave. I'm actually doing a giveaway for this ponytail, you guys, on my Instagram. I'm teaming up with the brand, the hair brand, so go check out my Instagram. We're gonna give away one of these long ponytails, so be sure to enter that. But yeah, Kylie says hi. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the little notification bell down there so you're always notified when I post a new video. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You know, it's all at K3 Chocolate. My Twitch is K3 Dance. My Snapchat is Kristina Urribarres. So all of that will be linked down below. Add me, let's be friends. Okay, next I've got this package that I ordered from Amazon. So they have a couple things here. So I got this water bottle that's foldable. Like, how cool is this? Like, what? This is so awesome for when you're traveling. Just take up less space, fill it up, close it up. This is so dope. You can carry it with you. And then this little button you just push and it opens up. Like, there's so many little things on here. I'm like, this is so cool. And it's cute. So the brand is Black Mask, but like I said, it's from Amazon. And I also got their brush head for my toothbrush. Like, you get a ton in here. Oh my god, these are gonna last me ages. They're available in 8-pack, 12-pack, and 24-pack. I think this is the 24-pack. This is a lot. So I'm gonna use these with my little brush. So these are very useful, very handy. Also like a very practical gift. If you want to give this to someone, this is a good value pack. So if you're buying for like a trip with a bunch of friends, or if you have a big family, or even just for yourself to last you for like ever, this is so handy. You save your money versus like buying one at a time. You definitely save your money. Like I said, they're from Amazon, but I do have a discount code for you guys. So there's a discount code for free shipping. There's also a discount code for 25% off any one item from their store on Amazon. Also a code for 30% off if you buy 2 items, and a code for 35% off if you buy 3 items from their store. So I will link all the codes for you guys in the info box down below. Check it out. Use it. They have a ton of different stuff on there. Like I said, Amazon is good for everything, so just check them out. I love it. The bottle is so cute. Gonna use this a lot. All right, next I've got this amazing package from IGK Hair. I love them. I first met them at Gem Beauty back in like, I don't know, like 2-3 years ago, but their stuff is so amazing. I have their dry shampoos in my bathroom right now. I use them all the time. They have 3 different ones. Like, how dirty your hair is. Okay, this is the first class. It's kind of like a flying when you're on a plane, first class. This is like the dirtiest, I think. The charcoal detox stick. You know, if anything is charcoal, then you know that's gonna detoxify you. Like, charcoal activated that you take, charcoal face mask, charcoal anything, always detoxifies you. Okay, so this is like the most. And then second class is like not as strong, and the last one is like, I forget what they're called. They're glass, I don't know, but it's in my bathroom, but they're different colors. This one is the strongest one. It's awesome. I don't need it right now, but it smells so fresh. It smells like a dude. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of like, turned on a little bit. It smells like a guy. This is so good. Like, dude, I love it. So yeah, I will link them for you guys down below. I'll find this one and link it, and you can check out IGK and all their stuff. So check out the info box. Okay, next I've got this cute package from Pearlies. These are their newbies, the coconut oil skincare line. How cute is this? Last time they came out with the creamsicle ones with Candy Johnson. Those were so amazing. It was like a body wash, a lotion, and a scrub, I believe. But these ones, they just keep coming out with better and better stuff, I swear to God. Like, so this is the coconut oil and coffee. Ooh, silky body butter. What? I've never heard of this, but I love coffee and I adore coconuts. Oh my God. Ah, yes, yes. This is so, why am I putting it in my weave? I don't want to ruin it. By the way, I do have a, yeah, I already told you guys how to get right that. What was that one movie where she took like a magazine and it was like one of those things that you rub like for the perfume, and she just rubbed it on herself? That's how I feel right now. But oh, there's more. They're all butters. I thought they were like maybe scrubs or something, but this one is coconut oil and cranberry, and this one is coconut oil and orange blossom. Yes, I feel like this would be like my shindig right here too. Oh my God, this is so good. It smells like a creamsicle. Ah, oh my God. I already have like foundation, but I don't even care. I'm just gonna put it on. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put it in the back of my hair so you still smell. Actually, yeah, because I have gel in, so it doesn't matter. But that way I can smell so good. You know what I'm saying? So check these out, you guys. Pearlies always has the best-ish, swear to God. So I will link down below as well. Alright, then I have my Skinfix package here. So I've got two goodies in here. I love Skinfix. They're a Canadian brand that I managed in beauty like 2015 or 16, like a long time ago. They're amazing. So this is their redness recovery antioxidant redness treatment. Ooh, this is something new. Love it. They always have things for like literally every skin ailments that you ailments foreign ailments, is that how you say it? But they have everything for like, you know, eczema, for really dry skin, for tattoos, like to make them, you know, to like protect them or whatever. They have everything. So like lip stuff, eye creams, stuff for dry hands, which is my favorite. I love that. But this must be new. This is an overnight mask. Ooh, this looks like it'll be like clear or something. Oh my God, it smells so good. It's like fresh. It's like not sweet, but it's very like nice and fresh. I'm gonna use this tonight. And then this is their barrier foaming oil cleanser. Okay. Ooh, this bottle is hella cute with a little pump. I love this. I'm not usually into oil cleansers because I have lash extensions, and so like you're not supposed to use oil because they'll fall off. But maybe I'll use this like all around my face and just be careful, because I really want to try this out, because oils like different you know, cleansers that are like a balm, they take off your makeup, like they melt it off. They literally take it off so well. So I want to try this out. So yeah, definitely giving this a try. So I will link both of these for you guys from Skinfix down below in the info box as well. All right, I have a few more packages, but I'm gonna call it a night because this video is gonna be so long. So I'm gonna do one last one, which by the way, this is my PO Box 252. So if you want to send me any mail, any letters, I will link it all down below, my address. So holla, send me some stuff. So this last one is the Glow Recipe package. I have their serums. I was gonna say, I have their serums. I don't know what I was gonna say. Their serums are in my bathroom. I have 3 different ones. They're like the little cute little recipe ones, like orange and green and red, and they're so cute. I did a haul with them back at my old place in like January, I think. But these are so adorable. I haven't looked at these really because I wanted to do it in a haul video. So this is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. What? This is so cool. This is so dope. This looks so cool. Do you see how like there's 2 different like it mixes? Like what? This is so cool. And you just spray it on. Girl. And it's watermelon. This smells like something you would have like when you were a kid, like a candy or something. I don't know, but this smells hella good. Then we have a Watermelon Glow sleeping mask. Yes, I'm living for it. I love the watermelon packaging. I thought to go out, but ooh, this packaging is bomb. I love that it's glass and like heavy, and just like the shape of it is so cool. And I love how it's like almost clear. It just looks so cool. It smells like a relaxing spa somewhere in like Malibu, Laguna Beach, I don't know, somewhere. And it comes with a little spatula, but this is so cool. The packaging, literally, I love the product. I'd rather the product be good than the packaging, but still, there's certain packages that I'm just like, I'm like dying for this. Then there's the Glow Recipe Jelly Sheet Mask. Ooh, this is so dope. I love, love, love. Again, the packaging, right here, sucker, right here. So trying that out probably tonight. And then last but not least, ooh, this is the same packaging as the mask. I'm dead, I'm dying for this. This is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Yes, this looks like it would be my moisturizer. I can already tell because it's like clear and lightweight, because I don't do heavy moisturizers. Like, see, it's like a very clear sort of lightweight texture. I honestly, during the day, because my skin gets oily, so during the day under my makeup, I don't do heavy moisturizers. If I do one, it's a very light serum or like a light sort of like, you know, base, like one of those pixie, like, they're not even a moisturizer, they're like a balm or something. Like, they're very like thick, they're not heavy. They like almost rub into nothingness. They're not heavy, you know what I mean? My skin doesn't do well with those. Like, unless I'm not wearing makeup that day, like whatever, I'll try anything, go to the gym, run errands. But if I'm wearing makeup, like, I cannot put anything heavy underneath because I will look like a grease ball. This is totally up my alley, I can tell already. Cannot wait to try these. These are so cute, like the pink ones. You just want to like put them on your little nightstand or your vanity on like a little glass tray. That would be so cute. So these are adorable. And we have a cute little clutch as well with the notes. How cute is this? So dope. Thank you, Glow Recipe. This has got a zipper. You can actually carry this as like an actual clutch. People carry like clear clutches all the time, like outs. So this would be super cute. But that is it. I'm gonna go. I'll leave the rest of the packages for you till the next haul video. Check out all the products. I will link them down below. Check out my other videos, you guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. The button is down there. If you're watching on Facebook, go check out my YouTube channel anyway and subscribe. It's K3 Chocolate on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You know, people are calling me now. I'm like, I gotta go. But check me out on those. Let's be friends, especially on Instagram. I'm on there 24/7 all the time, posting stories. So let's be friends on there. I take polls all the time on there. Like, I ask you guys questions, what you want to see next on my channel and stuff like that. So check me out on Instagram. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.